you back in the kitchen with me. Who doesn't love a braai for summer? I know I do, and I'm going to share one of my biggest cheats. Some of you aren't going to like what I have planned, but I promise you it's going to be the tastiest chicken you have ever tried. So we're going to start off by marinating our chicken. We're going to do that with some olive oil. You want lots of good quality olive oil. This is going to help make our beautiful sauce. We're also going to use lots of lemon juice and my Portuguese spice. Now, if you want the recipe for my Portuguese spice mix, you can follow the recipe below and let me know what you think. Now I'm going to add lots of salt. Using nice molten salt is going to make it nice and crispy. Some pepper. And my Portuguese spice. Don't worry about getting your hands dirty. You really want to coat the chicken. I'm now going to add my lemon juice. You want lots and lots of lemon juice because you want that to add with the olive oil this beautiful sauce. I'm going to allow this to marinate for about an hour or two, and then I'm going to put it in the oven at 180 degrees and I'm going to cook that for 40 minutes. Yes, I'm going to roast my chicken before I add it to the braai. I'm then going to allow that to get that beautiful smoky flavor, that charred outside but perfectly moist cooked chicken, and the best sauce you've ever tasted. With my Portuguese chicken, I'm going to be making you 3 sides. I'm going to be making you a beautiful garlic thyme butter brushed sweet corn. I've blanched my sweet corn and we're going to finish that off on the braai with our chicken so it gets nice and charred. I'm also going to be making homemade roosterkoek from scratch, really quick and easy, and we're going to finish that on the braai. And then last but definitely not least, a spicy tomato spinach, which I'm going to make for you right now in the pan. Now, to make a roosterkoek is actually really easy. What I've done is taken 1 kilogram of flour with water and yeast. I've mixed it all together and kneaded it. You can either do that by hand or in a mixer. We've allowed that to rise. I'm going to lightly dust my surface. I'm going to take my dough. I don't want to lose any of the beautiful air we've created. I just want to coat this lightly and I'm going to slice it up. I want equal sizes because I want it to cook at the same time. I'm going to dust with a little bit more flour, put this to the side to proof one last time before I put it on the braai with some beautiful butter. In a pan, we're going to add our chopped tomatoes, garlic, fresh herbs, salt and black pepper, then some cayenne pepper for some extra heat. We're going to fry that off till it's nice and cooked through. We're then going to add our baby spinach and allow that to wilt down. Guys, so our chicken is cooked tender and juicy. This is adding that nice, beautiful braai char and all that smoky goodness that you want from a braai that sometimes you don't always get when you make your roast chicken, but you also don't get the perfect chicken when you braai. This is the solution. I'm now going to add my roosterkoek and my minis. I love making roosterkoek. It's so South African. It's so lovely for a braai and actually a lot easier and quicker than you think. And there we have it, a Portuguese feast for you and your friends. What more could you ask for? I have to taste. I'm taking my roosterkoek, perfectly cooked, and I'm going to dip this in my beautiful chicken basting. This has got lemon, it's got all that chicken goodness, and it is to die for. You don't get that if you don't roast it first. Absolutely delicious. I am so excited for everybody to arrive and enjoy tonight's dinner. For this recipe and more, go visit the Astral Chicken website. Happy cooking, stay safe.